Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the month of November because we are obviously in November. I did see the sneak peeks of everything that kind of came in here. They like kind of send you an email now that tells you what you're getting, and then they leave one that's a mystery. So I don't know what the mystery product is, but I kind of remember what else was in this box. So without further ado, let's just open up this box and see everything that is inside. Alright, so I have my box opened up and it comes with the flyer, the little pamphlet flyer like always. And this month is Gold Digger. Super cute. Not Gold Digger, Gold Digger. Okay, so the first thing that popped out is this right here. This is the Jonteblu Glittering Star Eyeliner in the black color. That's what it says. It says long lasting intense black color, update your eyes. So let's just kind of open it and swatch it and see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what the pencil looks like. It has really pretty stars, dots, flowers, hearts, a little bit of everything printed on there in gold. It's super cute. This is a pencil liner. I thought it was going to be a retractable one, but this is the product. So it has some little gold flecks in it, and let's see. Oh, it's really creamy. Okay, I see you. It's really creamy. It just kind of like the tip kind of broke off. Like if you can see, like the tip kind of broke off. So here is a swatch of that. I can feel the little glitters while I'm swatching it. So it's kind of a chunky glitter eyeliner, but it's really pretty. We'll see if I put this to use somehow. The next thing that's really jumping out at me is the lashes right here. So this is the brand Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and it is in the style Instaglam. Super cute. Packaging, gold and white, really classic. And then the gold is all glittery. I love this packaging. So cute. And then these are what the lashes look like. They're really natural, really pretty, kind of flared out. I love natural lashes just to kind of wear every day for like a no makeup look or something like that. I love putting on natural lashes because honestly I have no lashes whatsoever. So can't wait to try these super cute lashes. Oh, I didn't even tell you how much they were. Okay, so the Jonteblu, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, is $5. So that's pretty on the low end, but that's okay. It works really nice. It's really creamy. And then these lashes were $14.99. The next item in here are these Luxie brushes, and these ones retail for $21. So it comes with 4 brushes. They kind of look the same. Let's open it up. So the bag is really cute. It has like gold confetti kind of going down. It's like a rose gold confetti. Super cute bag. Might just keep this to keep my brushes in it, maybe. And then these are what the brushes look like. So the handle is like a gold glitter. It does have a plating over it, so it doesn't feel as rough. And then it has the gold little handle thing right there. And then these are the brushes. They are really cute, and of course, like any other Luxie brushes, these are super soft. So it comes with the 141 mini round. That's this one right here. And then this next one right here is the mini flat angled. This one would be really good to like kind of fix, like blend in more concealer right here, or maybe even contour the nose. I like using small brushes to contour my nose. This next one right here is the 121 mini tapered. So this is really cute. It would be really nice to kind of blend out like right in the inner corners, or get a really precise blend in your crease. And then the last brush that came with this set is the 131 mini angled brush. So that's this one right here. Super cute. Love these brushes, love the handles, they are adorable. And the next two items here, which I am super excited about. So first let's go with this one. This is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. And this retails for $44. So that is a big price point. That is already double the Boxycharm box. So this is what the little tube looks like. It's just a really pretty rose gold glitter, and I've never tried this before. I know you could use it as a highlighter under your makeup, use it with your foundation, but let's just see. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. So this is what the color looks like. I'm just gonna kind of blend it out. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I cannot wait to use this. So these, I'm gonna have to get more because this is so amazing, and the formula feels great. It doesn't feel like sticky or anything. It just feels good. It feels kind of like a serum a little bit. Oh my gosh, I am dying. Like, it's all over my hand. So pretty. Can't wait to start using this. Last but not least is this eyeshadow palette that everybody saw before they brought out the Boxycharm, the November Boxycharm box. But this is the Ace Beauty Grandoise palette. Totally butchering it, but it's just black and it has gold packaging, not gold packaging, gold detailing. Super cute. And then the back just has like all the ingredients and information you would ever need on this. And this palette retails for $24.99. So this is what the palette looks like. Kind of bummed it doesn't have a mirror, but I don't really mind. It's just nice to have a mirror in your palette for like if you're traveling, but if there's no palette, it's all good. So these are the shades right here. They're super duper cute, super pretty, and let's get to swatching. So I'm gonna swatch the first row right here, and this first shade right here is Jasmine, and it's just your gold color that every palette should have, and that is a swatch of Jasmine. Up next we have Clove, and this color is like a peachy pink kind of shade. That's what it looks like on my finger. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. Then we have right here Myrtle. This is kind of like a mix of a bronze and a red together. It's super duper pretty. So here is Myrtle. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Up next is Cinnamon, and it's just your cinnamon brown shade. It's gorgeous. I can see myself using that color a lot. So here is Cinnamon swatch. Cinnamon is like the sister, matte sister of Myrtle. It's gorgeous. Then the shade right here is a matte nude natural base shade. It is called Patchouli. I don't know, but it's just a peachy nude. And then that is this color right here. It kind of blends in with my skin tone. This one is a little bit chalky. Then this next shade right here is Rose. It's really, really pretty. So it's like a pinky rose color, and it has like a little sheen, reflect, iridescence to it. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So that is Rose. Oh my god, this color is gorgeous. Oh, I am loving this palette so far. And then up next we have Poppy, which is your deep burgundy red shade. Here's what Poppy looks like. Oh my god. This palette is beautiful. It is right up my alley. And then the last shade, which is your bronzy gold color. It is called Primrose, something like that. I am horrible at pronouncing names. But this one is that last shade right there. These colors are beautiful. I am loving the swatches of this palette and I can't wait to put it to use. Alright, so that is everything that I got from Boxycharm. I will leave the total of the Boxycharm somewhere up here. And yeah, I really like this box actually. The lashes, the cover effects, and the brushes and the palette is a plus for me. Not too fond of the eyeliner just because it's kind of gritty. But other than that, it's a great eyeliner and it's only $5. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys like it and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.